Okay folks, today we got a really nice 2013 Chevy Silverado, 4-wheel drive, lifted, 20-inch wheels, got some 35s on it, step bars. Well, maybe if I held the key over long enough. Pop the hood. Got towing package. It is the LT. Got the bed liner. Pretty nice truck all the way around. Looks good, sounds good here. Pretty clean Silverado. No lights on except for the gas light. We'll put some gas in it for you. Turn switch, 4-wheel drive, traction control. Got the keyless entry, got an aftermarket radio with Bluetooth. Let's take our first spin. Of course, got the OnStar and everything. Also, sometimes these videos, folks, it makes it look like the dash lights flickering. They're not, it's just where the light reflects. See, everything shifts out like it should. Drives smooth for a little, even with a lift on it and mud tires. So the lift kit was done right, you can always tell. Straight. Folks, that's it. Nice lifted Silverado. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at ssautosale.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.